Hi, today we're gonna make some kimchi soup. First, of course, you cut your pork belly to thin slices and you set them aside. Cut some ginger, red chili to small slices. Then, of course, you also need onion for this. I think one should be more than enough usually. And next is garlic. I like to chop the garlic into small pieces. Set them all aside. Then next is your tofu. You want to cut the tofu into smaller blocks, but you set them aside first once it's done. I use two different tofus, but you can choose either one, whichever you like. And put a bit of oil and start frying your ginger and garlic first until it's slightly fragrant. Then add the pork belly. You want to just slightly brown them a little bit. And then add the red chili and also onion. And of course you need to add kimchi as much as you like. Then add the desired amount of water. Here I use about, I think, 2 cups plus. Do remember to add gochujang if you have. Otherwise, I think a substitution would be miso paste, sorry. And Korean chili powder. Then you close and let it simmer for at least maybe close to an hour or so on low heat. And once you're about ready to eat, just add your tofu for the last couple of minutes or so and some spring onion. Make it all look good. There you go. Kimchi soup made at home.